what is the value of this number? We can assume that root over 6 plus root over 6 plus root over 6 plus dot 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 infinity equals to x. Square both side. We can write 6 plus root over x plus root over 6 plus root over 6 plus dot 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 equals to x square. This is x. 6 plus x equals to x square. Therefore x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0, and x square minus, we can write x, 3 minus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. X common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3 equals to 0. X minus 3 into x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 3 comma minus of 2. X not equals to minus 2 because this is a complex number. Thanks for watching video.